Hi, in this video I will show you how to unlock screen on a new WAHOO Roam free cycling computer. As you can see, the screen is locked, and to unlock it we need to start with opening settings and then use this button to swipe pages until you see the settings, and then you need to use arrows on the right side to go to the screen and press this button to unlock it. And now the screen is unlocked. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.